Hello guys, J&M here with a video on how to update your add-on scripts for Blender 2.8. These are changes that you can already make right now, other API changes are still in development. First things first, you have to update the Blender version number in the BL-info dictionary. It has to be 2,80,0. Don't use 2,8,0, this won't work. The next thing you have to keep in mind are naming conventions for classes to avoid the registration of multiple classes with the same name. The first part of the class name has to consist of uppercase letters, numbers, hyphens and underscores, and for the part in the middle you have to use these abbreviations. The last part can be in mixed case, but lowercase is preferred. The example that you can see here is for a panel and an operator of my shortcut viewer add-on for Blender 2.8. Okay, registering modules can't be done anymore with the register module function. This has been removed. You have to register your classes now by using the function register class and unregister class to unregister it. A good practice is to add your classes to a tuple, then you loop through this in the register function and call the register class for every entry. The same thing you have to do in the unregister function, but in reversed order. With this approach you just have to add new classes to the tuple when you extend your add-on. But there's even a shorter way to do this. You can remove the code for register and unregister and use the register classes factory to register and unregister your classes with one line of code. The next change that I noticed refers to the use of properties in your classes. These should be used as fields, otherwise you get a warning and perhaps an error in future versions. You can see when I run the script now and open the console that I get a warning. In Python you can define a field by using a colon like this. And when I run the script again now, there's no warning anymore. Here you can see this is the old warning, no new one is created. Okay, the last thing that I want to point out here is that using keyword arguments is required. For example, the window argument for the event timer add method has to be stated explicitly to avoid getting an error. So I have to add here window equals context.window. Okay guys, these were the changes that I found out so far. There are more changes in the API, for example for accessing the scene layer and object selection, but these are not yet stable, may change in future versions or not implemented at all. So guys, I will keep you informed of updates. If you liked the video and my channel, then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching this, thanks for your support, perhaps you would like to support me on my Patreon, and I'll see you in the next one.